This is the corner condo in Swan Lake you've been waiting for. A true bungalow alternative, complete with 2 parking spots and 2 storage lockers. It has everything a bungalow has and more. A house-sized eat-in kitchen with dream cabinet space, an expansive open-concept layout with large principal rooms and windows in every room, a split 2-bedroom plan, each with their own full bath for privacy, and a wraparound balcony facing southwest. This 1,475 square foot suite is bright, sunny, and absolutely ready for you to move right in. Swan Lake's The Boardwalk Way is an intimate collection of 4 low-rise buildings located just steps from Swan Lake Pond and nature trails. Each building has an updated lobby, an in-building party room, and access to above and below-ground visitor parking. Suite 313 in 80 The Boardwalk Way is a Catalina model. Larger than many of the bungalows in the village, the Catalina model is popular for so many reasons. The proper entrance feels like a house, separate from the rest of the suite, with ceramic floors and a front hall closet. And then you walk into the wide open living, dining, and kitchen area, a true hub of activity for the condo. Cook, dine, relax, and entertain with walls of sunny southwest windows and a walkout to the wraparound balcony, perfect for the container gardener. The eat-in kitchen has ample counter space, a breakfast bar, ceramic flooring and backsplash, and under-cabinet lighting. There's excellent storage space in the working area, and then a massive pantry in the breakfast area. This breakfast area is large enough to fit a harvest table if you wish to use as your dining room, and makes a cozy breakfast and den area if you prefer a more casual setup. The spacious main living areas are designed to be a combined living and dining area. It's currently used as a large living room, but it fits a full dining room suite as well as a full living room suite with a wall for a TV. There are wall-to-wall large windows and a walkout to a premium balcony. The primary bedroom is fully separate with 2 double closets and a 4-piece ensuite bathroom with a deep soaker tub, large vanity, and walk-in shower stall. The second bedroom is located on the other side of the suite for privacy with a double closet and is located right next to its own private full bath and linen closet. The wraparound balcony has a bird's eye view of the neighborhood and is covered to enjoy rain or shine. There is ensuite laundry and there are 2 lockers included, which is very rare, and 2 side-by-side parking spots located close to the underground owner entrance. Swan Lake is one of the GTA's most popular gated communities. This gated community of over 650 homes has no age limit and offers 24-hour security, a vibrant social scene, and fabulous amenities. Maintenance fees cover the care of the exterior of your home for carefree condo living and also give you access to the 16,000 square foot Swan Club with a gorgeous indoor pool, sauna, as well as a fitness center with gym and exercise area, a billiards room, a library, a huge party and meeting area, shuffleboard, and a beautiful outdoor lounge and terrace with barbecues overlooking the pond. There are 3 satellite clubhouses in Swan Lake, and all of them have outdoor pools and tennis courts and are rentable for your use. There are nature trails surrounding the pond and walking trails throughout the village. Swan Lake is ideally located close to the GO Transit station, Markham Stouffville Hospital, Markham Main Street shops and restaurants, large grocery and pharmacy centers, Markville Mall, and has easy access to the 407. For more information about this very special home, call or text us at 416-888-5640, email us at info@walkerparker.ca, or visit us online at www.walkerparker.ca.